Hi guys, it's Beige. Today I have this burgundy lip look for you. I hope you will enjoy it. I will start off with a hydrating primer. Next I will use a full coverage foundation. Next I will do some pinpoint concealing with a smaller brush. Next I will do some under eye concealer. Now I will use some powder in the T-zone. For my eye look today I'm using this Max Factor palette. So I will start off with the lightest shimmery shade and just add that to the corner of the eye. Now I will use this brown shimmery shade on the same brush and I'm just going to sweep it across the lid. I will come up with this eyeshadow quite high just to build this cloud effect. I'm also going to use it underneath. Then with a clean brush I'm just going to go around the edges to blend it and soften it. So this will just create that diffused look. Now still working with the same brush, I'm going to take this shade right here and just use that on the outer corner. Now with a small flat brush I'm going to take this dark shade right here and I will push this color close to the lashes, just on the outer half of the eye and also underneath. Now I'm just curling my lashes and I'm going to add some mascara. Now I will add my lipstick because I'm using quite a dark shade, so it will give me a good indication of how much other makeup I should put on. So I mapped out my shape with a lip brush. Now I'm just going to use it straight from the bullet. I will fill in my eyebrows now. So I think I want a full brow for this look. So those are the eyebrows, quite full now throughout. If you would like, you could add some individual eyelashes. I think I'm just going to add a couple more layers of mascara. Now I will use this palette to contour and highlight. And I'm just going to contour slightly my cheekbones. For the highlight, I want to add it to quite a large area. So I'm starting on top of my cheek, but I'm going to diffuse it on quite a large area. Just because I think it will look better for this glowy kind of eye, to have this diffused highlight. I will also add a touch of bright blush, just a tiny bit on the apple of the cheek. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. For more makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. I will start off with the moisturizing primer. I will start off with a hydrating primer.